I'm Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. We're going to talk about applying fungicide to your vegetable garden. If you need to use a fungicide in your vegetable garden, I recommend that you start with an organic product first. If the organics don't do the trick, you can move to a chemical fungicide. When applying any chemicals, always wear long sleeves, long pants, and trade your garden gloves for chemical resistant gloves. A hat or a hood is also advised. Residue getting on your skin. You can try a sulfur-based fungicide, which has been used for hundreds and hundreds of years to control fungus on plants. We also have bacteria-based fungicides, which are really quite effective and a good one to choose, and also hydrogen peroxide in a hose end sprayer, which can be applied to your vegetables as needed. Always read and follow the label instructions. I'm Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah, and we've been talking about using fungicides in the vegetable garden.